We are back here at 5:37 and updating you on that breaking news. One woman is dead. A man taken to the hospital after their car crashed.
Yeah, Sloan Heller is live with the latest. Sloan.
Good morning, Curtis. Police are still trying to figure out exactly what happened. You can see down there they're investigating. They also have fire trucks there. They are taking the woman's body out of that car at this hour. What it appears, police are telling us, the driver was heading southbound on Broadway. Right at 26th Street is where it gets a little tricky because the street kind of jogs and it becomes West Penway. Well, police believe that the driver hit a pole at that point, and that is where she flipped the car. Again, the woman driving the car was killed. The male passenger taken to the hospital. We don't have ages or identities. This just happened just about 3:15 this morning. Now back out here live, if you can just take a look here, this is West Penway. You can see they are now letting traffic through that street again between 25th and 27th. That had been closed for a while, but it looks like that is back open to drivers again, and also West Penway Drive where you can access the highway, that is back open. But again, one woman killed in this car that flipped, one male passenger taken to the hospital. We're live this morning in Kansas City. Sloan Heller, 41 Action News Today.